Hello, it's Barry, and you're watching Barry and the PI. I haven't done too many videos here lately because I was caught some kind of bug and it knocked me out for several days. But and then today I was going to make a video and it started raining earlier than usual. And then it stopped and then it started back up. So I'm a little late in getting this video done. So um, let's take a real look around the yard. It's been raining a lot. The other day might have found another monitor lizard out here. There's a smaller one, much shorter, much smaller than the first one we found about a month ago. So let's take a look around the yard here. Trimmed up some of our plants here. Cockawatty tree is holding, I don't know what this is.
I don't know either. They said this is a millionaire's plant.
A millionaire's plant.
That is what they called it. And it has some flowers.
Maybe it'll make me a millionaire.
See, lots of flowers.
Yep, it's got a bunch of flowers on it.
And here is like a crown.
Yeah, I don't know. These are new ones out of the jungle.
That is a butterfly flower.
It's a butterfly plant.
There are two different kinds. The other one has a white flower, and this one is pink.
Okay, and there's some more over there. That's just Lily getting a drink out of that water. Lily. Here's some more
Rainwater.
around our waterfall. And then here's some of our orchids.
These are starting to bloom. Huh? This coming out.
Yeah, it's about ready to bloom. Keep getting this rain, it will be blooming. Hopefully more of them will be blooming. And here's Angel Trumpet Garden over here. So maybe we'll find a lizard along the way. That would be neat.
This one fell.
Actually, Lily usually finds them, calls them to our attention. Yeah, it fell off, maybe the wind. Here's that thorny plant. I can't remember the name of it right now. She has some more of these orchids planted on this.
This one is new. This one behind you.
Huh?
This is new.
Oh.
Somebody give it to me.
Oh, that's a new one.
Color, yeah, the flower has a peach color and the middle is red.
Oh, I hope that'll start blooming soon. They trimmed up our tropical plant garden here. And so I can see some blooming here. This is a giant shrimp plant. I really like those. Now we'll get it in the mud a little bit here. So some of those others haven't started growing now. Here's our little smoker. There's plants we have in front of the house. You can see our windows are tinted so nobody can see inside during the day very well. Of course, we have a coconut tree here, and that's a mango.
That's a Guimaras mango. That's what they told me.
It's a what?
Guimaras.
Guimaras. Oh, it's a Guimaras. That means I'm going to have some of the best mangoes in anywhere. Here's some. Oh, waited too late to get these. Had some blooming, but there's another angel's trumpet. And there's our neighbor's house. We've got plants from them blooming on our side. This is our black peppercorn. I think you might have already picked those off.
Yeah, but it's starting again.
And then we're up here, utility area. Another black peppercorn. There's our new water tower. Our water comes from the barangay. They fill it up twice a day. They pump it into our tank.
Calamansi.
Calamansi tree. I think Midas picked all the calamansis off of them.
Yeah. Actually, there is one.
And here is our cacao tree. It's the only one that's producing chocolate, although I haven't made any chocolate in a while. And of course another banana tree. It's been harvested too.
Calamansi.
There's a dead jackfruit.
And
Nobody.
that is another mango.
Where?
That one.
Oh, that's another mango? Oh, okay. That's going to be a mango tree producing mangoes, hopefully.
Yeah, maybe it will take, maybe 5 years more.
Yeah. You see that jackfruit? You don't want to be standing under one of those when it comes falling off. That would be pretty tough. Definitely give you a concussion, not break your neck, or depending on where it hits. And here's not much cacao out right now.
Yeah, they are not good. See, it's still small
Yeah,
and
see,
it's already black.
Yeah, we didn't pick it. The thing is, there's a type of moth it comes and attacks it, and it lives in this moist, wet weather, and until we get our yard fixed up and kind of leveled up a little bit, probably have a problem with that. And then, and this one looks like it's dead now.
That is coffee.
Yeah. Might as well take that out. And then you see some of the flowers that she's got planted up here. That's another cacao
No,
tree.
that is coffee.
Or is that a coffee? They have the same leaves almost.
Some taro.
Those are taros.
Yeah.
You can eat the roots of it. It's like a sweet potato.
That is a kind of taro that you cannot eat the leaves.
Oh,
There's another kind of taro, a smaller type, that we ate the leaves.
and of course this is where she hangs our clothes up to dry in our dirty kitchen. There's pepper and butter. This is where the cooking magic happens, and I'm gonna smoke some meat.
We are going to recycle this.
And these are,
I'll bring this to one of the junk shop there. Give it for free.
yep. This is a table that was left here for us, and then she's got some other plants up here, orchids.
Here is some orchids.
Yeah, this one's a pretty orchid here. And that's a pretty one growing there.
Yeah, this is not orchids. I don't know. I forgot the name. Too much heat, it's become like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember the hot?
There's my little bar up here. Sit out here and drink beer. There's a saucer-shaped tree, and then that's a what you call it? Huh?
Morangi.
Moringa,
The malunggay.
a malunggay
Yeah.
tree, and she got some other plants planted along here. And these trees here
Or cacao.
are cacao. This one should be starting to produce pretty soon.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe that one too. Wish it wasn't so hard to make chocolate.
Yeah. I think it's not. We just made a mistake.
I just
Getting the.
needed the right equipment too.
We should grind it, or
Yeah, yeah.
when it's really dry.
And these are red peppers here. There's got some peppers growing on it, but they haven't turned red yet.
There is one orange.
All right, sorry we didn't get to see any lizards today. Maida didn't take a picture of the one we found the other day. This is our yard. I really do like it. Proud of it. And I like our house too. It's not huge or anything like that. It's only one story. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a maid's quarters. That's plenty for us. You're welcome here anytime. Just let us know. We need to pick you up somewhere. We can do that. If you don't know how to get here, we're right across. This place over here is Crinos Farms. Crinos. And come by. I'm usually here unless we're out. You remember what's that called?
We call it here Kalachuchi. That's a pretty flowers.
Yep, it has put out pretty flowers.
And this one, I don't know what we called it, but it is a really tiny flower.
Yep, that's another one I need to find the name of. So that's it. Thank you for walking with us. And you have a great day. This rain is just, man, it's cool here now. So we can sit out here and rock away. I've got 2 rocking chairs. And what's that?
Succulent.
This is a succulent. It's a new one she got.
Yeah, or pretty. And this another succulent, and this small like flowers when it's dropped, it's going to grow. So there's already a lot of it there. See, all of this. It's going to drop on the ground. It's going to grow.
So that's it. So take care. Have a great day. Take care of your family. Take care of your kids. Take care of your pets. Don't let them run around out in the streets and stuff. That's the way they get killed. So till another day, tomorrow I think we're going on a little road trip. So be sure to watch for that. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.